everywhere. That shit that's so crazy. I can go like anywhere. Pull up choppers everywhere. We got pound bags everywhere. Come and go, no bus fare. I just talk like, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Know they told your guardians they don't wanna get his sparking. They go got him parking. Oh, LA back on them bricks again. They say that boy been having pounds. He don't really do the fin.
What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I have a build update for the Z. So I'm gonna start the video off by saying, obviously 95% of you guys have seen that I am doing a turbo kit giveaway. There are 43 spots left. The turbo kit giveaway raffle is going to end on April 15th if the spots are not full by then. That being said, get your spots now. We are getting ready to pull the turbo kit off the car. It'll be prepped and ready to go to the new owner. So needless to say, we are super hyped to see who that's gonna be. I'm super stoked. Someone's about to win a fucking, literally a 650 wheel horsepower plus turbo kit for $100. Like, it's gonna be absolutely insane. Spend 100, get what would really cost you like 10 bands for literally $100. So I'm super excited to see who wins that. That being said, if you did not know about that, shoot me a DM on Instagram at shewantsthezeee, spelled the exact same way as the YouTube channel, and I will send you the available spots. So if you are new to the channel, drop a like, comment, subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, still like, drop a comment, helps your boy out a ton. Appreciate it a bunch, puts us on the suggested page a lot more, so we'll be getting a lot more traction, hopefully blowing up here more soon. Damn, old girl all wet, brother. So, moving on to what you guys are all here for. This sucker. I know I briefly talked about plans on it in the past, what we plan on doing with it this season. Those escalated a little bit. They went up a notch. We're going to get into that right now. So for those of you that are new here, here's a previous setup to Garrett 6465 Turbo. We're making an estimated around 700 wheel horsepower on this given setup. It is a stock motor, 1400 cc injectors, CJM fuel return, the whole nine. It's been making about 700-ish on this kit. This is the kit that I am giving away right now, so if you want to get your spot, shoot me a DM, pause the video, come back to it in a minute. And you could possibly throw this on your Z or G for $100. The main question that we get all the time, what's done to the motor? Absolutely nothing. This motor is bone stock, unopened. That's what's going to be changed. So I am currently teaming up with Soho Motorsports. This is the thing I've been keeping under the covers for a little bit that we are now leaking. I am getting the Soho Motorsports Stage 2 HB package, which is the full built motor, pistons, rods, head studs, closed deck from CSS. Getting the top fuel hoop done, heads are going to be done. It's going to be a rowdy ass car. So the thing where VQs are really limited is head lift. So a lot of the guys that make anything over like 800, 850 wheel, they start to lift the heads. And it's been a little demon to the VQ scene for over the past so many years. So Soho finally figured that out. This motor is going to take care of all of that. It's been proven by them. They've been making 1200 wheel horsepower passes, over like 300 passes on this thing. It's still holding up perfectly fine. So that same motor that you see in Nismo Bay, I'll drop some links into the channel to Soho's cars. And it's going to be the same setup as Nismo Bay, essentially, motor-wise. So it's going to be super rowdy. We are shooting for over 4 digits. Am I going to run it that all the time? Probably not. Is it going to be able to make that in kill mode? Absolutely. That being said, though, it is going to be a couple month process to get the motor done, send mine off, then send the CSS back and forth and whatnot. So it's going to be a couple months, but when this thing is back up, it is going to be absolutely nuts. I don't want to be like hype it up that much, but it's probably going to be the fastest Z on the street, period. Like, none touching it. So if you guys have the money and you're looking to make big power on the Z platform, hit up Soho Motorsports. Nick and George will help you out. You can shoot Dylan a DM on Instagram if you got questions. Super good guys over there. And if you guys are looking to make that power and be reliable, make over the 4-digit number, make 900 plus, that motor is going to be the thing to get it done for you. So definitely check them out. I can't wait to get it in this thing. It's going to be super nasty. So all of this good stuff here, injectors, wastegates, blow-off valve, intercooler, all of this stuff is going to be going to a new owner soon by the latest date being announced, the 15th of April. So as far as that goes, we'll hope the spots fill up before then. That way I can do the giveaway early. Like I said, if you guys have not gotten your spot, shoot me a DM on Instagram at shewantsthezeee. We'll get you entered in that. It's $100 a spot. There's 43 spots left, and this thing's going to be gone soon. This kit did me very well. Beat up on Hellcats, Vets, you name it. Beat my GTR, my full bolt-on GTR. This kit took down that car. So I'm super happy with it. I can't wait to see the work that this thing's going to do on the new owner. So hopefully whoever wins it posts a bunch of videos on Instagram, because I want to see a lot more stock bottom end Z kills. But that's my little update for you guys. There's tons of stuff that's going to be going into this. Obviously, to support the power, I'm going to be getting a built trans, triple disc clutch. We're probably going to do 1700 to 2200 cc injectors going in it moving forward. And then I'll show you guys the whole list of everything that's going to be done to the motor as well. So I'm going to go directly off my new build list on everything that's going to be done to the new engine that's going to be going in this sucker, hopefully in the next couple months. So for the Soho Stage 2 HB long block package, is going to be a closed deck block, Soho Wiseco pistons with upgraded pins and locks, 12:1 compression ratio, Carrillo HBM rods with rod bolts, King main bearings, Nissan rod bearings, ACL thrust washers. The stock crank is going to be magnafluxed and balanced. Cylinders bored, lined and honed. The deck will be surfaced, main lines honed. ARP main studs. Soho top hoop service on heads and block. Heads mildly ported and polished. New Viton valve seals. Soho custom head gaskets. ARP 625 plus head studs. Rotating assembly balanced. Boundary oil pump gears. EPS gallery gaskets. New OEM timing components and water pump. OEM gasket kit. And then it's going to be assembled, blueprinted, timing covers, powder coated black, so it'll look super good up front when the hood's popped. And that's pretty much it as far as the motor goes. The rest that's going to be going into it on my end is going to be the fuel system, bigger turbo, built trans. I'm probably going to be changing the diff out. I have a 350Z diff in this for the longer gears right now, but I might even be going a bit longer on that. And then, of course, the whole 9, I'm sure I'm going to be snapping axles, so those will eventually get upgraded as well. But we're going to see what she does, man. This is going to be a new testament to the Z platform on the street. There's a lot of fast Zs out there right now, but I think it's going to be picking it up a notch on how much it's going to put down on the street, so I'm super hyped about that. But if you guys are new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Helps your boy out a ton. It's greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video.